Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to get your car started if you guys are getting a no crank, no start issue. All right, this is an issue where your car won't crank, but everything else works. You're getting electricity to your dash, to your security, to your remote, power windows, etc., etc. Everything else works in the car except it won't crank. And when you try to start it, all you hear is a click, or you don't hear anything at all. All right, this will work on virtually any car if you are in this situation. All right, so basically, if this situation happens, your first thought would be, well, the battery's dead. Probably, you're not getting any kind of power to the battery, but there's no power to the battery. The battery's dead. So the way to check that is you're gonna go out. You're gonna look at, turn on your headlights, and you're gonna look at the headlights just to see whether they're bright or not. All right. Sometimes it could be a battery, but if you guys give it a jump and your battery is 100% dead, you give it a jump and your car won't start. There's a good chance that there's a good chance that it's not the battery that's the issue. So basically, in this situation, what you're gonna do is, if you guys want to get your car started, you might have one last try to get the car started by checking out to see where the starter is. Here's the thing, all right? Sometimes the starter is easy to get to, other times they're not. All right, some of these starters are hidden in under the air intake manifold, and sometimes they're all under the engine. All right, sometimes they're very difficult to get to. But if you have a car where the starter is very, very, very easy to get to, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find, go to the trunk and find a long metal tube, a long metal pipe or something like that. You guys still have the jack that came with the car. You guys can find the jack handle. So normally they're a long metal bar, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go under the hood and you're gonna try to figure out where the starter is. All right, now this works. Most of the time, this will work if you can find out where the starter is. All right, so basically, to find out where the starter is, what you guys could do is you guys can follow the positive cable. Normally, that leads directly to the starter. But in newer cars, these starters are placed under the air intake manifold, and a lot of times they're under the car. If you guys have a bigger truck, you guys could get under there. If not, all right, what you guys need to do is first find out where the starter is for this to work. Now, if you guys do find where the starter is, what you're going to do is you're going to take that metal pipe and you're going to bang the starter a couple of times. All right, you're going to bang the starter a couple of times, get back into your car, try to start it, and most of the time it will start. Now, the best scenario in this situation is if you have somebody else with you, to have somebody else bang on the starter with the metal bar, and have somebody in the driver's seat try to start the car simultaneously. All right, that most of the time that would work a lot better than having somebody just bump on the starter with the metal bar and then try to start afterwards. All right, now this works most of the time if the starter is your issue. This will work most of the time. Your starter is the issue. And if you could find your starter, sometimes you got to go under the car to find the starter. And you know, if it's a truck that where you could, you know, get under it to find it and to bang on it. Okay, do not. If you need to jack it up and go under the bang on it, probably wouldn't work that well. Probably shouldn't do it, considering there are panels on newer cars. There are panels, plastic panels you gotta take off and all that stuff. So if you can easily, this only works if you can easily find the starter. All right, if these are in cars where the starter is obviously under the hood. All right, so if you're in that situation, definitely look for the starter, bang on it, and you should be able to start it one last time and get that starter changed out. All right, guys, hope this has helped you guys out. Please leave a message in the comment section. Please subscribe. All right, guys, take care.